back with my subject English. Today I am going to teach you the chapter number 5, the 3 Billy Goats Gruff from Canopy textbook. We have completed our 4th chapter. This is our last chapter, page number 33. The 3 Billy Goats Gruff. This is the one story of troll and 3 goats. See students, the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. The Billy Goats Gruff मतलब मेल जो गोट होती है उसे क्या कहते हैं? The 3 Billy Goats. Yes, and Billy name of the goats. So open your textbook, page number 33. The 3 Billy Goats Gruff. These are 3 Billy Goats Gruff. See. Look at this picture. You can see brown color, black color and white. Greenery is also there. One bridge is also there and small river is also there. So look at this picture very carefully. Now these are the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. Students, male जो goats होती है that are called the Billy Goats. And what is the meaning of gruff? See, I am writing on the board. Word meaning. Number 1, Gruff is the meaning of gruff. Friendly or showing no patience. Showing no patience. See students, आपको भी कभी गिफ्ट्स मिलती है तो यू ऑल आर वेरी एक्साइटेड. आपके पास पेशेंस नहीं होती है, धीरज नहीं होती. You have to open the box. You are very in hurry buddy. You want to open the box. Here the meaning of gruff is unfriendly or showing no patience. But here 3. All 3 are the brothers. See, here it is written. They are little Billy Goat Gruff. First one is what? Little Billy Goat Gruff. White one. Big Billy Goat Gruff. Black one, grayish one. Yes, and third one is what? Biggest. Yes, उससे भी थोड़ा बड़ा. Biggest Billy Goat Gruff. It is a sunny day. Yes, दिन कैसा था? Sunny. They 3 Billy Goats Gruff want to go up a mountain. Where they want to go? They want to go to the mountain. Why? They want to eat the sweet grass. They want to eat the sweet green color grass. But they must go over a bridge first. See, मैंने आपको पहले पिक्चर दिखाया. क्या था? माउंटेन पे जाने के लिए they have to cross the bridge. Yes, under the bridge. What is this? क्या है वहाँ पर? नीचे river है. So they have to cross the bridge. So students, what is the meaning of bridge? See, I am writing R-I-D-G-E. Bridge. A structure that carries a rope or railway across a river. Valley railway. Students, what is the meaning of bridge? A structure that carries a road or railway. Yes, road or a railway. Bridge वहीं पर होता है, road या railway पर we have to cross the bridge to go to one another side. Across a river, valley or a railway. So here also they have to cross the bridge first to go to the mountain. Now turn the page. A big troll lives under the bridge. वहाँ पर कौन रहता था? A big troll. So what is the meaning of troll? T-R-O-L-L. An ugly creature. An ugly creature. So a big troll lives under the bridge. Bridge के नीचे कौन रहता था? Troll. First comes little Billy Goat Gruff. वहाँ पर सबसे first कौन आया? Little Billy Goat Gruff. He steps on the bridge. वो bridge पर चढ़ रही थी. Now the voices come in. Trip, trap, trip, trap. कैसी आवाज आती है? Trip, trap, trip, trap. Who is on my bridge? Who is on my bridge? Shouts the troll. यहाँ पर troll ने आवाज लगाई. Who is on my bridge? Shouts the troll. किसने चिल्लाया? Shouts मतलब चिल्लाना. To yell. The troll. Shouts the troll. What is the meaning of shouts? I am writing S-H-O-U-T-S. Shouts meaning is to yell, shout. उसने चिल्लाया. Shouts. It is our little Billy Goat Gruff. It is our. वो क्या कहता है? कौन था ब्रिज पर? Little Billy Goat Gruff. छोटा बिली गोट था. I am going to the mountain to eat grass. मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? Grass खाने के लिए. Then I will grow big and fat. Then I will grow big and fat. Says little Billy Goat Gruff. किसने कहा ये? Little Billy Goat Gruff. I will eat you up, says the troll. उसने क्या कहा? मैं तुझे खा जाऊंगा. Troll. किसने कहा? Troll ने. Oh no, I am too small. I am too small. मैं अभी बहुत छोटा हूँ. Says little Billy Goat Gruff. Please wait. Please wait. My brother, Big Billy Goat Gruff. मेरा भाई Big Billy Goat Gruff will come next. वो मेरे पीछे आ रहा है. He is much bigger. Then run away, little goat, says the troll. अब तो यहाँ से चला जाओ, भाग जाओ. किसने कहा? ट्रॉल ने. किसको कहा? लिटिल गोट को. लिटिल गोट को कहा. नेक्स्ट कम्स बिग बिली गोट ग्रफ. अब कौन आया? उसका बड़ा भाई. ही स्टेप्स ऑन द ब्रिज. ब्रिज पर चल रहा था. कैसे आवाज आ रही थी? ट्रिप ट्रैप ट्रिप ट्रैप. Who is on my bridge? वापस बोला. Shouts the troll. कौन बोला? Troll. Who is on my bridge? It is I. ये मैं हूँ. कौन? Big Billy Goat Gruff. says Big Billy Goat Gruff. ये मैं हूँ, Big Billy Goat Gruff. Now I will eat you up. अब मैं तुझे खा लूँगा. Says the troll. Oh no, नहीं. Don't eat me. मुझे मत खाओ. Says Big Billy Goat Gruff. किसने कहा? Big Billy Goat Gruff says, don't eat me. Please wait till my brother. Please wait till my brother. Who? Let's see. Biggest Billy Goat Gruff comes. जब तक मेरा बड़ा भाई आता है तब तक you have to wait. He is much bigger than I am. वो मुझसे भी कैसा है? बड़ा. Bigger मतलब बड़ा. Very well. Run away, says the troll. अच्छा, तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. Run away. Next page 35. Just then, biggest Billy Goat Gruff comes to the bridge. अब कौन आया? वो तो भाग गया. अब सबसे बड़ा biggest Billy Goat Gruff comes to the bridge. He steps on the bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap. Same noises coming. Which type of noise? Trip, trap, trip, trap. Who is on my bridge? Shouts the troll. वापिस troll ने कहा, who is on my bridge? It is I, biggest Billy Goat Gruff. Says biggest Billy Goat Gruff. क्या कहा उसने? मैं हूँ biggest Billy Goat Gruff. Now I will eat you up. अब मैं तुझे खा जाऊंगा. Shouts the troll. He jumps onto the bridge. वो ब्रिज पर जंप कर लिया उसने. किसने? ट्रॉल ने. Come along then. तो आ जाओ. Says biggest Billy Goat Gruff. किसने कहा? तो आ जाओ. Biggest Billy Goat Gruff shakes his horns. Look at this picture. आपको दिख रहा है उसके हॉर्न्स? दिख रहा है? ग्रीन कलर. उसके हॉर्न से उसने क्या किया? Stamps his foot. पैर उसने अपने पीछे लिए. Then he tosses the troll of the bridge. उसने उसको क्या कर दिया? Tosses मतलब धक्का मार दिया. और वो कहाँ जाकर गिरा? Tosses the troll of the bridge. उसने उसे ब्रिज पे से धक्का मार दिया. अब कैसी आवाज आई? स्प्लैश. अब वो पानी में गिर गया. The three Billy Goat Gruff climbed up the mountain. अब वो उसने किसने? बिगेस्ट बिली गोट ग्रफ ने ट्रोल को धक्का मार दिया और वो कहाँ गिर गया? पानी में. तो वैसे ही वो वहां से हट गया. और three Billy Goat Gruff now they went to the mountain. What they want to eat? They eat the sweet grass. They are very happy. All three of them went to the mountain and they all are very happy. See, brothers say, so they all help each other. See, big Billy Goat Gruff ने उसके बड़े भाई की मदद की और उसने बिगेस्ट बिली गोट ग्रफ ने उसकी मदद की. So we have to help each other. We have to help each other. वैसे ही उन्होंने ट्रॉल को बिगेस्ट बिली गोट ग्रफ ने अपने हॉर्न्स से धक्का मार दिया और वो पानी में गिर गया. So this is your story. I hope you enjoyed. So you have to read this story at your home. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you have to ask us in our Zoom online session. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.